Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, James the Chart Guys. It's Monday, July 16th. Gonna do my nightly video on oil. So oil, again, per weekend video, we are rejecting from, talked about a few times last week that we're rejecting from the 100 MA on the monthly here now, and expecting some consolidation. First support here at 63.40. We still have some room to the downside here, and still could form a higher low on the monthly here at 63, above 63.40. Looking at the weekly, same thing. It's the same level on the weekly. Low here at 63.40. You can see still we're forming higher lows on the weekly and higher highs still. And so even to some more downside, we still have some room with the bulls being able to hold the overall bullish pattern here on the weekly. So healthy consolidation is expected. Talked about this bearish reversal spinning top confirmed on last week's candle and followed through this week with a break of last week's support here at 69.23. Shared the daily bear flag that I saw over the weekend video as well. You can see the big volume dump here, a little bit of a consolidation bounce here on decreasing volume, and followed through to the downside on the break here, confirming the daily bear candle at 69.23. Looking at the lower time frames, I did see a volume climax here on the 15-minute. Volume climaxes can signal a trend change in the short term, but it's a 15-minute chart, so it's a short-term trend change technical signal. And so what bulls have to do on this bounce here is to hold, the must hold obviously is going to be low today of 67.58. Need to form a higher low here and then break above the 68.38 level to form a higher high, showing that we're going to get a little bit more of a shorter term bounce. Longer term, well, a little bit longer term, not long term, but mid-term, the hourly, what we're going to have to start doing is going back to setting higher highs and higher lows on the hourly to show us at least some type of little bit longer short-term bounce, if that makes sense. So looking for more than just a day trade, at least maybe like a day, maybe like a overnight trade or something like that. And so the 4-hour is oversold again, and so the 4-hour oversold has given us a little bit of a bounce. You can see the little bounces coming on the based on the 4-hour. So oversold on the 4-hour here, had a little bit of bounce before more downside, oversold again, had a little bit of a bounce before more downside, and we're at that level again. So if the trend continues, you can expect at least a little bit of a short-term bounce based on this 4-hour chart. But anytime the time frames previous to the 4-hour, which is the daily at this point, is showing bearish, you need to lock in your gains a little bit quicker. Make sure you don't lose all your profit by being greedy and holding on for something bigger until the signals show us that the consolidation bottom on the weekly and monthly are in on the oil chart. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.